Best tea for weight loss and glowing skin. Detox, loss weight fast. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most beloved beverages around the world, tea. Not only does it taste great, but it's also a natural and healthy way to achieve weight loss and glowing skin. In this video, we'll discuss the best types of tea that can help you achieve your weight loss and skin goals. Section 1. The benefits of tea for weight loss. Tea is a great addition to any weight loss routine. It contains antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that help speed up metabolism and aid in weight loss. Green tea, for instance, has been shown to help reduce body fat and increase energy expenditure. Studies have also suggested that drinking tea before meals can help reduce appetite, leading to a reduction in overall calorie intake. Black tea is also beneficial for weight loss because it contains compounds that help reduce the absorption of fat. Section 2. The benefits of tea for glowing skin. Tea is also an excellent beverage for achieving glowing, healthy skin. Antioxidants found in tea, such as catechins and polyphenols, help protect the skin from harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation. This can lead to a reduction in acne, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Herbal teas, such as chamomile and lavender, are also great for promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels, which can lead to improved skin health. Section 3. The best teas for weight loss and glowing skin. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and compounds that help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. It's also great for promoting healthy skin. Oolong tea. Oolong tea contains catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that help promote weight loss and improve skin health. White tea. White tea is the least processed tea and contains high levels of antioxidants that help protect the skin from free radicals. Black tea. Black tea contains compounds that help reduce the absorption of fat, making it a great option for weight loss. It also contains antioxidants that promote healthy skin. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a herbal tea that promotes relaxation and reduces stress levels, leading to improved skin health. In conclusion, tea is an excellent addition to any weight loss or skincare routine. The antioxidants and compounds found in tea can help speed up metabolism, reduce appetite, and protect the skin from harmful free radicals. So, next time you're looking for a natural way to achieve weight loss and glowing skin, consider adding a cup of tea to your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.